Hello and welcome to another episode of Real Estate Jargons. Today we are to talk about free zones in Dubai and why these have their own significance in their respective regions. Currently, Dubai accounts more than 30 free zone areas which have their own set of regulations and rules that a member has to comply to. The most popular free zones being DIFC, Internet City, Media City, DMCC, Production City, Healthcare City, Jafza, Davza, DSO and Dubai World Central, also known as Dubai South. The idea of free zones are designed around the theme of its operations and what businesses it would cater within the region. Generally, these free zones are named and located as per their speciality to ensure that they provide all the possible facilities sought by the businesses in that particular industry. For example, Jebel Ali Free Zone, also known as Jafza, caters businesses that are related to port operations, warehousing, logistics and trading. Hence, it is located within the vicinity of Jebel Ali Port, Dubai. Similarly, Davza Facilities revolves around its operation that facilitates aviation industry and thus it's located next to Dubai airports. This specialized free zone not only helps startups and regional MNCs to come and operate in the thriving business market of Dubai, but the concept also boosts the businesses during its initial phases. However, a catch in these free zones is the fact that the companies that register their trade license in a specific free zone ought to operate within the trade zone, which means their presence through the commercial space and their employees need to be registered within the same free zone. And if they are to do businesses outside with any other free zone or main lane, they would need to seek for additional permissions. The regulation helps organizations to comply by certain standards and deliver consistently. And if by any chance any disparity arises in the business dealing, the same regulatory authorities manages the arbitration internally and resolves it. This results in faster and smoother business flow, which is one of the critical success factors for businesses in the region. Moreover, the employees who work in the companies get free zone visas from their designated free zones, which is 3 years instead of 2 years, and the family that they sponsor also avail the benefits of 3 years visa instead of 2. Almost all free zones have now moved on to digital media, where the company formation, visa processes, day-to-day regulations and official communications are all conducted through online portals, which make it more convenient for the business owners to manage. For more information about free zones and to discover the best commercial spaces in different free zones in Dubai, feel free to get in touch with Homes for Life. Thank you.